This is the Maxi carpet extractor. It is used to wash carpets. In this video, we will show you how to set up, operate and maintain the machine. This is the clean water tank. This is the wastewater tank. This is the vacuum and solution hose. This is the carpet wand, and this is the upholstery tool. Here are the vacuum motor switch and the pump switch. Undo the 4 metal clips that connect the 2 tanks and remove the top tank. Fill the bottom tank with clean water. Do not overfill. You can use water as hot as you are able to keep your hand in. If you are using carpet cleaning chemical, ensure that it is added at the recommended dilution. Ensure that the chemical is a non-foaming product. Replace the top tank and fasten the clips. Check the switches are in the off position and fully unroll the electrical cable. Always check for damage. Do not use the machine if the cable is damaged. Plug the cable into the socket and switch on at the machine. Connect the hoses to the machine. First, the brass nipple must be pushed into the brass fitting on the machine. Now, connect the vacuum hose into the larger hole. The other ends of the hoses must be fitted to the carpet wand or the upholstery tool. The machine is now ready to operate as a carpet cleaner. PowerVac recommends that the area to be washed is dry vacuumed thoroughly first. Any stained areas on the carpet should be pre-sprayed with a carpet stain remover. Starting from the far corner of the room, begin work by pulling the trigger on the handle on to release the water. Draw the carpet wand back toward yourself and release the water trigger, about 300 millimeters, before you end the stroke. This is to prevent water being left on the carpet. Continue to work, overlapping each stroke by about 50 millimeters until you have covered an area of about 1 square meter. To ensure the carpet is dry, run the carpet wand over the area cleaned without releasing any water. Continue to do this until no moisture is left in the carpet. Move to the next area and repeat the procedure. Continue the same procedure until all of the carpet in the room has been cleaned. Very dirty areas may need to be done several times. When you have finished work, or the clean water tank is empty, you need to leave the vacuum running for 1 minute to remove any water from the hoses before you switch off the power at the wall. Pull the water trigger to release any remaining pressure in the solution hose. Remove the brass hose by pulling back on the outer ring and pulling the connection apart. Remove the vacuum hose from the top tank and move the machine to where you want to dump the dirty water. Disconnect the drain hose from the machine and remove the hose end. Lower the hose and drain the dirty water. Always dispose of the wastewater in the correct way. Use clean water to rinse the wastewater tank. If you need to continue working, Add clean water to the bottom tank and reassemble the machine as we've already shown, and resume your work. If you have finished working, ensure the machine is unplugged from the wall and the cord rewound. Start from the machine end and make gentle loops of the cable until it is fully rewound. You can drain any remaining clean water from the bottom tank via the drain tap underneath the machine. Be sure to close the tap when the tank is empty. Some important points. Never collect any flammable liquids. Do not overfill the tanks. Never tip or tilt the extractor. Ensure the cable is kept well clear of any liquids. Ensure the carpet is left as dry as possible. There are several things that you can do to ensure the extractor always performs at its best. If you are using carpet chemical in the machine, always flush the bottom tank with a few litres of fresh water after every use. Every week, remove the brass jets from the carpet or upholstery nozzle by twisting through 90 degrees, and soak them overnight in a 20% mixture of vinegar and water to remove any mineral deposits. Regularly remove and clean the black foam vacuum filter. It can be rinsed in water, but make sure it is dry before refitting. Regularly remove and clean the water filter from the bottom tank. The clear gauze can be rinsed in water. Thank you for choosing the Santoemma extractor.